Good morning, everybody. Just a little introduction to your latest The Time Machine assignment. So what I'd like you to do is take a look at just the epilogue right here. Okay, it's on the last page of the chapter 16 attachment, the very last page. So just look at this one longer paragraph right here. And I want you to figure out the author's point of view about the future. So not the time travelers and not the narrator, because remember the narrator is not the time traveler, but come up with the author's point of view. So you're going to have to read between the lines because H.G. Wells is not a part of the story. He doesn't actually put himself in there. So after reading this, let's say these last thoughts by the narrator, I want you to figure out what do you think the author's point of view is about the future. So make sure to respond there. Please make sure that you email me if you want to meet virtually, have any questions about the assignment or task. Make sure to use my proper email, which is right there on your screen, lbattelle@g.starpsa.org. That way I know that I can respond to you. And yeah, let me know if you need any help, have any questions. Hope you're staying safe, and I'll see you soon.